What is up, my people? It's been a minute, but I'm back, and I'm back with a look inspired by Eric Num's new music video, Potion. Look at all those warm tones. It's just browns and tans, and it's just, it's so beautiful. And I just felt like I really needed to do something with this. Like, I couldn't just let such beauty not be put onto my face. So, nos vamos. Alright, so we're going in with the Violet Voss Like a Boss palette in the color Women Crush Wednesday. We're just putting that all over my lid. And then after that, we're going in with Serve, which is like a brownish, orangish color, kind of to mimic like the brick that Eric was dancing behind. And then after that, we're going into Voss, which is a little bit darker, and it's going to bring out the color of Serve a little bit more. And then I'm just blending because, it was looking rough. After that, I'm gonna go into Snatch, which is like a little darker, that pigment, a little darker brownish color. Basically we're just building up the intensity, you know. After that, going into Strong, which is a darker brownish color, putting that in kind of the crease. Kind of the crease, kind of not, just blending it out, you know, make it look nice. Then you're going to get to Inspo, which is like this black, and girl, yo, it is black. It is not here to play around with you, but I only took a little bit and I just kind of built it up and put it into like a little V on the outer corner of my eye, kind of smoke it out. Then I'm gonna wet a brush and go into Realness, which is like a rusty brownish shimmery color. It's freaking pretty. And then after that, wet the brush again, and I'm gonna go into Girl Crush, which is this loud yellow, and then do the same thing again, but going into Adulting, which is like a more toned down version of Realness, but it's so pretty. And well, the double is obviously busy. Next, you're going to use Amaze Balls as your inner corner highlight. And then after that, I just blended with a blending brush to make the colors all smooth and blend into each other real nice. And then I went back in with Inspo just because I thought I needed more intensity. Then I went in with a smudge brush and I wet that, and I dipped into Queen and used that to smudge underneath my eye. And then I used Work to do the same thing again, just to build it up. And then after that, I used Strong on the outer part in order to make it a little bit darker. And then, you know, you just put on some liner, struggle to put on a lash, and girl, you got yourself a look. Alright, so that's the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I just love this music video, and I hope you did too. If you haven't already, go ahead and get your tickets to his concert. He's coming to North America. Go and buy the album, go do all that stuff. It's great. Also, the music that you heard in the tutorial today was made by the Mr. Joshua Moore Garcia de Mexico. And he just makes amazing mixes. He makes a lot of K-pop mixes. If you want to hear more of his stuff, I will link his SoundCloud down below. Joshua, thank you for letting me use this. And if you like this video, actually like this video just for the sheer fact that this is my 3rd time recording this. Go ahead and like the like button for that. Subscribe if you want to. If you don't, I don't blame you, but I mean I will this time because like I said, this is my 3rd time. I'll see you guys in the next one.